Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to change payment method on Roblox. So first, open your Roblox in browser or in app, and then just need to sign in your account. And then click on the gear icon here at the top right hand corner of your screen. And then here, tap on the settings. And then you will find here your settings, and then you just need to find the billing option. So we just need to hover your mouse and click on billing here. And as you can see, I have not currently subscribed to premium, but if you are already subscribed to the Roblox premium, you'll find the payment methods here, and you can just have to tap or click on that change payment button. But if you actually click on this subscribe button here, and then if you click on this get premium, you will find this option. So click on subscribe now. And then you will find here your payment methods if you want to select your credit card, debit card, PayPal, or redeem Roblox card. So that's how you basically change payment method on Roblox. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.